Na riu aikari a icagi ithatu cia Solio kaunti ya Laikipia nimagunikite na tabarira cia urimi wa mimera na gukuria miti iri ta njira ya kuhurana na ugaruruku wa riera. Tabarira ino itanyetwo kuongerera miti icagi-ini ici iria ciari Runyanjara Magithama, undu uria maugite riu ni monete umithio kuona ni kuraura na riua inene riria rirari mwena ucio nirinyihite.
Miaka 17 mithiru niguo aikari a icagi 7 cia Solio mathamiirio mugunda-ini uyu kuma miena ngurani ya hugururu cia mititu iria marimaga kaunti ya Nyeri. Kuona mugunda uyu wari Runyanjara rwa nyamu mayukirie na makiambika mihango wa kucenjia na kutua uikaro wa andu.
I've seen the impact this project has had in this region where we had issues with rain. We can see now farmers are having some crops in their farms because of the boreholes that have been there, because of the the trees we have planted, which have now helped to draw the rains. And we are happy because the community also has embraced this project, which has been transformative in their lives.
Undu wa bata wari kuhanda miti kugitira huho iria ciumaga kirima-ini gia Kirinyaga, na ni tabarira makoretwo magitwarithia na mbere makiuga riu kuri na umithio munene.
Habitant matanoka twathia kugura miti kuraihu muno no riu moka ni maturutire horo wa kuhanda miti na riu ni twihandagira miti na tukahota gwikuriria nginya guku na ungirora konta kiwanja ta giki uguo ri tuyuka gukutia na miti na ungirora kuri guni kuona miti irariruka ni tuhandite tugakomereria na tukahanda.
Hewa imebadilika na still hata community imeembrace kitu kwa njia ya juu sana, kwa vile wanaendelea hata kupanda miti kwa mashamba yao kwa njia nzuri. Na hata tunaendelea kuwauliza wale wanaweza kutusupport na hizi programs za upanzi wa miti waendelee, kwa sababu hii area imekuwa tunapakana hapa na Nyeri, na Nyeri is green but our area is very dry. Ndio tunaomba wale ambao wanaweza pia waendelee kutusupport.
Kuhitukira nyiti itemi ngurani ikundi cia aikari ni ciukite hamwe guthoma njira ngurani cia urimi uria riu macokaga gutwara micini yao na ikoretwo iri na umithio munene.
We planted over 20,000 seedlings, both fruit trees and indigenous trees, so that then we can increase the tree cover in Solio. We are also building flood resilient latrines. As you know, now that we have a lot of climate change impacts in this area, when it floods, the latrines become a problem. So we are pioneering the Safi latrine model that is flood resilient, so that then communities don't have to be building latrines every rainfall cycle.
Maugite uteithio kuma ngwataniro ya kimabũrũri ya Habitat for Humanity inyitanite na Lions Club ni uhotithĩtie gutherema kiwonjoria na ukuria wa matura mao kuhitukira urimi, uhandi wa miti na motungata ma mai.
Sukuma wiki na matharu na spinach. Thiini wa kuhanda kwa matharu na spinach ni matunyitithanitie na thoko nja ya Solio, tugatwara indo citu nyanyukie guciendia mikawa-ini na ni tuonete faida through kwendia indo icio, tondu bei iria turendia kuria mukawa-ini ni iratuteithia tugakorwo twina profit na tugakorwo twina mbeca cia gutransport indo icio.
Itanya riao ni kurumia teknology cia kiriu kuhurana na ucenjia wa riera na uhiuhi wa thi niguo gukuria itura riri matuko mokite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma guku mwena wa Solio kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, ritwa riakwa ni Paul Mwaniki.